job in the rain in Wales.
Have you ever barbecued or braaied in the rain?
Only with you.
Only with you.
And in the snow. And in the sleet. And in thunder and lightning.
How's a Cadac chicken?
The chicken's beautiful.
It looks delicious.
Look at this little brush.
Can you see the little brush?
It's with the glue.
Fits in the glue pot.
Mm. That's a great brush, isn't it? That's perfect for doing all your sticking.
I do
Are
sticking
you going
now.
to do sticking now, are you?
I'll
It's
show
really nice on the Cadac. Gives it a nice glow. It's different from cold braai, isn't it?
It's really good.
Mm.